earring with wire cap. This is pretty straightforward. The first part is the fishhook earring maker. We don't need to discuss that. You'll find that under Findings, Fishhook Earring Wire. And you'll find the Briolette Rose Cut Stone under Gems, Briolette Rose Cut Stone Maker. And this one here is copyright. This is the under, I think it's curve. It's here some, oh, there it is. Display copyright to Rhino text. That puts this copyright ALgoJewels CAD information onto the viewing screen. What is interesting, let's turn these off. Let's turn this off. Is this cap and how it's made. This off. Let's turn the curves on. So what we have here is an arc, a line, and a helix. So we're creating a bend, blended curve from the line to the arc and from the arc to the helix, and then piping these curves to create this. So you can see the arc is one, this curve is another, and this line here is another. So the trick is bringing all the curves together. You can probably join them. Let's try that. Delete that. Move this down. Delete that. Let's go join curves. And let's put them in here. Yeah, you do get one curve. Let's see what happens. Oh. Yeah, so you can join them into one if you want as well. So here we've joined them into one curve. Now you can adjust the helix, the end, make it wider, make it taller, make the top wider and thinner, adjust where the start goes. So you can custom make this coil. You can use it for a pearl, you can use it for anything you want, right? You can decrease the number of waves, adjust the fitness. Now if you want, you could change the arc too. So there you go. That's how this cap was made. The rest is pretty well straightforward. Thank you for watching.